Got a copyright claim on your YouTube video? Or there's a mistake in it, but it already has lots of views and likes? If you don't want to delete your video, but also don't want anyone to see it, most people don't know this simple setting. Here's what to do. Instead of deleting, just make it private. Follow the steps. Open the YouTube app. Tap your profile picture. Go to View Channel. Tap on Videos. Click on 3 dots of the video you want to private. Tap the Edit icon. Go to Visibility. Choose Private. And hit Save. This way, your views and engagement stay saved, and you can fix the issue later. Follow Mendit Tech for more smart YouTube creator tips.